This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Tail light bulbs. Open the tailgate and undo the lower and upper rear light unit retaining bolts. Gently prise the light unit rearwards and rest it on a cloth to avoid damaging the paintwork. Rotate the relevant bulb holder anti-clockwise and remove it from the light unit. Pull the wedge-type bulb from the holder and press the new one firmly into place. Refit the bulb holder by turning it clockwise until it clicks. Align the mounting pegs with the rear wing, then gently press the light unit into place. Refit the retaining bolts and tighten them securely. Check to make sure the new bulb operates correctly.